It's time for another experiment. Water. For 7 days straight, I'm going to drink, I think this is about a half gallon of water. Let's see what happens. This is my day one and I'm doing pretty good. I'm on day 3 of the water challenge. I didn't film yesterday just because I kind of forgot to, but I did drink my half gallon of water yesterday. And I've got a little more than half to go, but it's pretty late in the day. It's after 4 p.m. So my big lesson is start early. It's just hard because when I wake up in the morning, I am not thirsty. But I think that like when my first hunger strikes, maybe I'll do this tomorrow, I'll drink some water instead. And maybe I can get through some more water that way. It's been raining. It's a little bit depressing, I'll be honest. Like, you know, sometimes I do my hair and makeup for y'all and sometimes I don't. Like today, obviously didn't. But what are you gonna do? I mean, we're not going anywhere. Or just, I'm actually, I think I'm wearing the same exact hoodie as I filmed in the other day. But that's just the way that's gonna have to be. Day 4, and once again, it's around 4 p.m. and I have about half of this half gallon left. Just like yesterday, but I think I have a little bit less to go right now as compared to yesterday. So I'm improving bit by bit. I did get another late start. It's just been kind of dreary here for days on end. It's been raining and raining, so I don't know, maybe it's easier to drink a whole bunch of water every day when it's hot out. Maybe that's just all mental, I don't know. And I don't really notice a difference so far, with the exception that I have to pee a lot. But I'm gonna keep going. I'm sure it can't be bad for you. The one thing about drinking a whole bunch of water is that you don't really have physical space for anything else. It's day 5, the sun is finally out. I've been doing a lot of yard work and I'm, you know, doing pretty good on my water, so pretty happy about that. Yesterday went fine. I feel like a half gallon is kind of my maximum, and I do feel like I'm finally getting used to it. So far so good. Just finished showering after a really nice workout, virtually, of course, with my BFF. It's about 6 o'clock, and I guess I have about maybe 1/3 left. I'll totally be able to get through it, feeling pretty good. Day 7. Zang. All right, it's the day after my 7-day half gallon of water challenge. I'm gonna keep it up for sure. I'm in the same location where I filmed on day 1, and I have my Dragon Ball Z hair, so hopefully that's okay with you all. I'm not wearing any makeup. I have like some residual eyeliner left over or something, but like no foundation whatsoever. I don't know. I don't know if I can tell a difference, but I am down about 2.5 pounds since I started, so that's something. And yeah, I'm gonna keep this up. I'm gonna do my best to really keep this up. My next challenge is going to be Whole Foods for 7 days straight. That's initially how I lost my last few pounds, like years ago when I was just a little bit overweight, in conjunction with a 5-2 fasting regimen. But because we're on this COVID-19 lockdown situation, it's not a good idea to fast when there is risk of a potential virus or you're fighting off a virus or anything like that. There is a study, it's a mouse study, so I don't like that part, but it does exist, and it would be impossible to get a human study approved on this issue. But there is a mouse study that shows that starving a virus is not good. It's not going to lead to healthful outcomes. And in fact, it led to mortality in a good percentage of these mice. Whereas if you're fighting a bacterial infection, which is not what COVID-19 is, but if you're fighting a bacterial infection, then fasting is a good thing to consider. So I'm not going to be fasting during this whole COVID-19 lockdown situation. I'm not going to do that, even though I know that it could result in weight loss. If you want to see how that challenge goes, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up, pretty please. I do appreciate the encouragement, and it does help my channel grow. And share this if you think it would help somebody else. Until next time, everybody. Ciao.